OMG! The stock markets have been on a roller coaster ride since beginning of this year. Several factors contributed to this, but the most prominent include the ever-changing Trump's tariff policy, the renewed fears of a global recession, and rising geopolitical tensions around the world. On April 2nd, a day Trump called Liberation Day, he announced reciprocal tariffs on all countries around the world, which then triggered a global stock market crash, with the US stocks suffered their worst single-day loss since COVID pandemic. Then, in just a week later, Trump, in a stunning reversal, announced a 90-day pause on tariffs, and boom! The stocks skyrocketed, posting their biggest one-day gain in centuries. It's crazy, right? You know what's crazier? The market volatility is here to stay. A month later, on 7 May, India launched missile strikes on Pakistan, leading to a military conflict between the two countries, until a ceasefire was reached on 10 May. Then, just weeks ago, Israel and Iran began trading strikes, and once again, triggered stock market volatility. So right now, if your investment portfolio isn't looking good, don't lose faith yet, because in volatility lies opportunity. In my previous video, I've shared how traditional investment portfolio like yours and even the classic 60-40 portfolio is no longer good enough, and how by diversifying your portfolio with alternative investments could help reduce volatility and increase returns. Now, before we drill down further, if this is your first time watching me, I'm Celeste, your trusted advisor with CFP certification and CMSRL license. I'll be sharing useful tips on investment and financial planning here from time to time. So do subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out any of them. And I highly recommend you to watch my previous video so you have a better understanding on the basics of alternative investments. Back to the topic today, I will show you 3 examples of how some of these alternative assets could add stability to your investment portfolio by offering low correlation with traditional financial markets. Hence, improve your chances of a steadier investment journey over time. Private credit refers to loan or debt instrument by non-bank lenders, but the debt is not issued or traded on the public markets. For instance, this private credit fund invests in only senior secured loans in the Southeast Asia region, has delivered a consistent 9 to 11% per annum since launch in year 2018 with quarterly distribution payouts. Especially in year 2022, when the double bear market for both stocks and bonds hit investors hard, this private credit fund still managed to deliver a 10.04% return, showing strong resilience and consistency. Hedge fund is an actively managed private investment fund that makes use of complex trading strategies. In this example, the hedge fund combined artificial intelligence with top-notch scientists to build an ultra-efficient global equity portfolio, which delivered a superior risk-adjusted annualized return of 15.4% per annum. On top of this fund has only 2 negative years out of 15 years of track record, showing strong resilience compared to the global equity markets. Real asset investments are backed by physical assets and have an intrinsic value due to their substance and property, such as infrastructure, real estate, and commodities. This real asset fund invests in real assets related ETFs, selected using their proprietary algorithm to offer low correlation and outperformance when the equity markets are falling. As shown here, it managed to deliver a 9.2% return in 2022, a year when Wall Street suffered its worst year since 2008. Harry Markowitz, the inventor of modern portfolio theory, also a Nobel laureate, once said,
"Diversification is the only free lunch in investing."
However, the truth is, there is no magic pill. Although diversification with alternative investment has shown to reduce volatility and improve overall portfolio performance, it's important to take note that It does not eliminate risk, and it does not guarantee returns. In my previous video, I've highlighted some of the common risks associated with a few alternative assets. Feel free to watch it and speak to a professional and licensed financial advisor before investing. Last but not least, always make sure your investment is licensed and regulated by Security Commission Malaysia, even for alternative investments. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for liking and sharing my video. I'm Celeste, your trusted advisor, guiding you to a brighter financial future.